Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the filter effect to background only in CapCut Special for PC. For example, I'm going to add the video to the track and I'm going to add filter. So select filters that you like, for example, the NW, and after done, you are just going to add the same video, just add as an overlay put on top. But before, you are just going to compound clip, select the clips, right click and create compound clip, add the same video as an overlay put on top. So for the overlay, you can go to cutout and select auto cutout to remove the background automatically. This way it's processing. So you can see um, the filters applies to background only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.